I'll give you one guess on who's broody again. Clyde! So we're going to try something that we've seen so many times work for others, which is the cold plunge. Now, we didn't try this with Creed before. Basically put her on an isolation crate in the run, but the weather was different then. We feel like it's not going to be that much of a shock to her system. But she's been like this for how many days now? 4 days? Yeah, 4 days. So let's try it. So basically we have a bucket of cool water. It's not cold. I don't want to shock her system too much, obviously. But it is cold, and we'll see how this works. This is the second day of trying it, and she's stubborn. She is stubborn.